What is the plural of book? A. Books. B. Books. C. Bookies. Answer A. Books. Add S for plural. Choose the correct answer. A. She go to school. B. She goes to school. C. She going to school. Answer B. She goes to school. She with goes is correct. What is the opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Glad. C. Mad. Answer A. Sad. Sad is opposite of happy. Fill in the blank. I. A student. A. Am. B. Is C. Are. Answer A. I am is correct. Which word is a noun? A. Run. B. Apple. C. Quickly. Answer B. Apple. Noun is a person, place, or thing. What is the past tense of eat? A. Ate. B. Eaten. C. Eated. Answer A. Ate. Ate is simple past. Choose the correct preposition. The pen is da was the table. A. In B. On C. At. Answer B. On. Pen is on the table. What is the synonym of fast? A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Late. Answer B. Quick. Quick means fast. Fill in the blank. She dash playing now. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. Answer A. Is. She is correct. Which is correct? A. I has a bike. B. I have a bike. C. I haves a bike. Answer B. I have a bike. I have is correct. What is the plural of child? A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. Answer B. Children, irregular plural. Choose the correct article. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. A. B. An. C. The. Answer B. An before vowel sound. What is the past tense of write? A. Righted. B. Wrote. C. Written. Answer B. Wrote. Wrote is past tense. Fill in the blank. They dash happy. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. Answer B. Are. They are is correct. What is the opposite of big? A, large B, small c, tall. Answer. B, small, small is opposite of big. Which sentence is correct? A, he don't like tea. B, he doesn't like tea. C, he no like tea. Answer. B, he doesn't like tea. Correct negation. Fill in the blank. I dash going home. A is B, am. C, are. Answer. B, I am is correct. What is the plural of foot? A, foots. B, feet. C, feets. Answer. B, feet irregular plural. Choose the correct sentence. A, she can sings well. B, she can sing well. C, she can singing well. Answer. B, she can sing well, can, plus base verb. Fill in the blank. We dash watching TV. A is B, are, C, am. Answer. B, are, we are is correct. What is the synonym of happy? A, sad. B, joyful. C, angry. Answer. B, joyful. Joyful means happy. Which is correct? A, it is raining now. B, it are raining now. C, it am raining now. Answer. A, it is raining now. It is correct. Fill in the blank. I dashed my homework yesterday. A, do. B, did. C, done. Answer. B, did past tense of do. What is the opposite of cold? A, hot. B, warm. C, cool. Answer. A, hot. Hot is opposite. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is the box. A, on B, in C, under. Answer. B, in cat inside box. What is the plural of mouse? A, mouses. B, mice. C, mouse. Answer. B, mice, irregular plural. Fill in the blank. She, a doctor. A is B, are, C, am. Answer. A is she is correct. Choose the correct sentence. A, they was happy. B, they were happy. C, They is happy. Answer B. They were happy. Past plural verb. What is the past tense of run? A. Runned. B. Ran. C. Running. Answer B. Ran. Past tense is ran. Fill in the blank. I ought a new book. A. Have B. Has C. Having. Answer A. Have I have is correct.